So I'm going to start my lettuce seeds here shortly. Lettuce, celery, some kale, greens like that. What else takes a long time? Bunching onions, maybe a few leeks. I don't know, we'll see. And I cannot believe how much rain we have gotten this year. In the week that we were gone, from December 27th to January 2nd, 3rd, we got our rain gauge at 3.5 inches. That is incredible. So the ground is fully saturated. Weeds are coming up like gangbusters because it's been so mild. Yeah. So, and the way the hillsides are greening up already, it might be a bad fire season again. Hopefully not. So, but no signs of garlic as of yet. That's fine. They're getting plenty of moisture. They're raised up enough to where there shouldn't be any rotting issues. Yeah, I'm just kind of taking a look to see if anything has sprouted. My cover crops, let me flip you around here. My cover crops, they come up. I got them put in there late, but then I had rabbits out here. Hopefully that problem has been resolved. But I'll put this into lettuce also. I've got a lot of wood chips to put down. I'm able to walk on this because of wood chips, thank goodness, or else I wouldn't be able to walk on it. It's just too muddy. Go over there, it's just muck. So I do have to get some more wood chips. A few more to spread. I had sweet potatoes over here, so I haven't gotten around to amending this bed yet. But well, it's not frozen. I can definitely pull it up. It's just gone. And get a layer of bark on that so I'll be able to walk. Excuse me. Jeez, oh Pete. So, yeah, it's coming along. It is. So I'm out here cleaning up my tomato high tunnel. I've gotten a good load of tomatoes and peppers. I will come back in and I'm not quite sure. I'll sweep up all the tomatoes that hit the landscape fabric. But I think for the most part, I will... Don't eat those, gross. Yuck, go. I will just throw some compost over the top of them and let them decompose. So I'll do it that way. I'll probably lift the fabric up over there because I had zucchini and summer squash, which the squash bugs, go on, shoo. The squash bugs decimated, so they are probably hiding under that landscape fabric. But I need to amend it anyway. And probably, no. I got to think of what I'm going to put here. I got to get that down so I'm not flip-flopping, so I know exactly what's going where. So I just have a few more. Got about 35 more feet of tomatoes to do. Got to get these dealt with and pop this landscape fabric up and speedy. Get it amended also. Sweep up all these weed seeds. And I think I will lay the irrigation underneath. That way I get better coverage. And probably put another... this row is wide enough. I can put another strand of drip irrigation and probably over here too. So I really want a lot of greens this spring. So I'm gonna go ahead and go dump this load and continue on. All these cherry tomatoes are laid down towards the end of the season when they got so big. We had a big windstorm and I don't have any ends on this high tunnel. It came and just knocked these guys down, so they're kind of a tangled mess. We'll get it done. All right, please. last tomato out of this row. It's driving me nuts to walk so slow, but this Achilles injury is no fun. But I had some acupuncture done, and when we were in Arizona, acupuncture done at Scottsdale Family, I'll link it below, and also some injections from Taylor Health. I'll also link that below. They're miracle workers. So hopefully I'll get back down in April for a quick visit, get some more work done, and get on over this. This is no fun. I've never had this kind of injury before. So I need to listen to my body and slow down just a tad. But yet I need to listen to my mind, and I have a lot of stuff to do. Hey, hey, that's enough. So we'll keep rolling, but I guess if you're going to have an injury, wintertime's the best time to have it. So, and you can tell with all my helpers here, are they actually helping? They're just here for soul entertainment. And if they catch a mouse, that's even better. So I'm going to take this load over to the burn pile. I have summer squash and zucchini. I do not want to compost that. I had squash bugs so bad that hopefully any eggs or anything that's left will burn like they should. So, yay, we'll keep plugging along.